Check out this Ram 2018 3500 Laramie. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are fifth-wheel gooseneck towing prep group, keyless geo included, remote proximity keyless entry, clearance lamps, quick order package 2FH Laramie included, engine 6.7L i6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed automatic 68 RFE front armrest with cup holders, chrome tubular side steps, spray and bed liner, dual rear wheels included, tires LT235/80R17 EBS WAS wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 polished aluminum dual rear wheel fender flare tracking clearance lamps tire pressure monitoring delete 17 steel spare wheel 6,000 pound front axle with hub extension box and rear fender clearance lamps, tires, LT235/80R17 EOL on off-road and radio.